If your pool automation system is not responding, you gotta know the quick fixes to get it back in action without losing your cool. So first off, reset that controller by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. That usually clears any minor glitches. If that doesn't work, check all the wiring connections to make sure nothing's loose or corroded, because bad wiring is a total buzzkill for your system. Also, look out for any damaged wires or frayed cables, because those can mess up communication between parts. Sometimes the issue is just a dead or weak battery in the remote or control panel, so swapping that out might solve it. Don't forget to check your circuit breakers too. If one tripped, it could shut down the whole system. Another good tip is to make sure your system's software or firmware is up to date, since outdated stuff can cause glitches. And if you're still stuck, try disconnecting and reconnecting the sensors around your pool to reset their connection. Lastly, if you have a smartphone app controlling things, restarting the app or your phone can sometimes do the trick. One of the biggest problems people face with pool automation not responding is ignoring the wiring and connections. Loose wires are a hidden pain but easy to fix by tightening or replacing them. Another common mistake is skipping the power reset. It sounds simple, but unplugging and plugging back in often resets everything and avoids unnecessary repairs. A third issue is neglecting software updates and battery checks. Outdated software or dead batteries can silently kill your system's response, so keeping those fresh is key to smooth operation. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making sure your pool or any big job gets done right. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work from folks who actually need their skills, so it's a win-win all around.